Hello everybody, this is Connor from 1 Minute English. Today we're going to talk about how to use your and your in a sentence. If you like this video, please subscribe below. So let's go. Okay, so this video is called how to use your and your in a sentence. So the first one here, your, is a possessive adjective. Okay, what does that mean? That means that something is a possession. That means that you are the owner of this thing, right? So we also use my, right? This is my computer, okay? And you are watching on your phone, okay? You are watching this video on your phone, okay? So we have your phone. It is your phone, okay? And this one is just a contraction of you are. So sometimes we have two words in English and we contract them and make them into one word. So you just delete the A and then you have your. Okay, so when do we use this? With the present continuous, you are watching this video. Okay, so instead of saying you are watching this video, we say, get rid of this, you're watching this video on your phone. Okay, that's how to use your and your in a sentence.